Now we are back in the MyKC Live Kitchen, sponsored by NFM, and look who is back.
Lee and Lee, the diva of DIY, joining us today with some fun Chiefs-themed projects just in time for that AFC championship that we're talking about. So walk us through what you've brought today, because this is an amazing deal.
Thank you. Yeah, this is kind of my brainchild, and I love it because here's the thing, we can talk DIY all the time.
Oh yeah.
But sometimes you just want something that is easy and you know you're going to be successful at it, right?
Yes.
So I've made a kit for people who don't really want to have to think about it. They want something cool for their party or just to do with the kids. And so let me show you. So this is the kit here.
Okay.
Beautiful.
And what I've done here is we're doing a nod to Charlie Hustle. We're doing a nod to Kelsey and to Mahomes and to the fact that we are back-to-backers,
Yeah,
right?
we are. Yeah, we
are. Yes. Okay. So the way the kits work, they come with all of these pieces. You're going to have a back piece, which you'll paint. And what's nice about this, with this etching in here, is that it comes back through, so you know where to put the pieces.
Exactly.
And then these pieces, they will just break right apart and they come out, and then you can paint each one of them individually. So I've painted yours. What I would like you to do, and I'll just paint one here as we're going.
Yeah. Okay.
What I'd like you to do, I've painted them. Each one of them has adhesive on the back. So you've got
nice.
I've got a little scraper here. You can just take all of the adhesive off, or you guys can do this together if you want.
Yeah.
I almost have to get my readers out because I'm getting old.
Because you get down right into the little.
Yes.
I hate that I chose to.
I did it.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Good job. Good job.
Cool.
And I'm going to show you just an easy trick. So I like to just take a piece of tape. When I'm painting these pieces, I lay it out. Okay? And then I take my pieces, so these are all of the pieces that come apart, which makes it easy to paint, and then just lay them out depending on what color.
Yeah.
And then you can just start painting. So everything is included in the kit. You have little paint daubers, you've got paint brushes, you've got a razor blade, super glue, and the kit comes shrink wrapped with an inspirational picture and some instructions. You also get a video.
Because it comes with everything except the paint.
Except for paint.
Okay.
You know, we had problems shipping the paint, and also people may want to do it in different colors
maybe
than
you want to do a little bit different, be a little more creative with it.
Be your own self, right?
Well, I love
It's your own journey to take.
And it's great for kids because, look, you're literally just painting these pieces, letting them dry, and then peeling the adhesive off of the back side.
Yeah, the adhesive, I think, is the game-changing thing, too, because you don't have to mess with glue guns or anything
Oh my
like
gosh,
that. Yeah,
super glue, can you imagine all the super glue?
I also just feel like for the kiddos, being able to use a tool like this one in my hand and then get the little, you just feel like a big kid.
Right, and you're
I
using,
feel like an adult
I mean,
right
you're
now.
using a razor blade, you're just using actually we're using a Kerrigan safe,
A Kerrigan safe
a
razor.
Kerrigan safe razor blade, right?
Yeah.
And this was one of my favorite tools, if you remember, when we were showcasing those, is that razor blade. But look, here's an arrowhead. We can make and put this, sorry, Kerrigan, I'm gonna help you out.
No, listen, I'll take all the help I can get.
Yeah.
I already put this
Especially
on the back.
from the diva.
No,
Was I
you did
supposed
that
to
right,
that
and
was
you knew
okay?
where to put it, right? Because it told you where to put it.
stenciled it out. It was so easy.
Go.
I'm gonna do this. And then what I love about this too is it's just something that you can do with the family. The kids are just as excited, right? They get excited for the
absolutely
for the game and all the things, and they can decorate
again,
too.
it's one of those things where it's not overly complicated. You could sit down and have, you know, a glass of wine and do it with the kiddos.
You could do a girls' night out, a girls' night in.
Like, I would buy one of these and invite my friends over and just, you know, watch the game. That's going to be
you
on
could do it during the game.
CBS,
Yeah.
you know, watch that.
Casually
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look,
that turn
show
out?
them off. Show them off. My goodness, look
This
at
has turned
that.
out so, look at that.
Mom, look what we did.
One thing that
happened?
I've had clients that have put them in floral arrangements, they've put them on tables, they've used them, they've put hooks on them and made them ornaments, so there's more than just self-setters.
I'm gonna grab this
Oh,
right here.
I
those,
mentioned the foam fingers.
We gotta bring these into the mix.
Oh, yeah.
One of those, yeah.
Cute little
This is
foam
awesome.
fingers. I have a line of hats. Chiefs girl. We got a
Looks like
little
you got me.
headdress. Arrowheads. I'm not gonna make you wear the Chiefs girl.
Oh, thanks. I might.
Okay. He's like, but I gave him the pink one. So
He's like, I'm
what
a
the
Chiefs
heck?
girl. Are you a Chiefs girl?
Oh, look at
on the back.
you.
It doesn't probably push it up
You
more to
gotta-
the front.
you
I
gotta,
think,
like-
I mean, you're gonna mess up. Oh, nice. Look at us. Look at us. We
Yeah.
look cute. We look cute.
We're ready for the game.
Yeah.
This is so much
This is
fun.
awesome.
How often do you do these kind of kits, and how long can people order them for?
Well, I've got kits that are year-round, so they can always order the kits. I mean, and I have kits for spring, summer, there's all sorts of things, but I always make a new one. I always wait to see how we're
How
gonna
it's
do,
gonna go,
right?
yep.
Right, and then just check back too, because when we win, expect some three-peats,
Yes.
we're gonna
Change the whole thing up.
And the thing is, you can just add, right? You can just keep adding to it.
Yes,
So,
this is so cool. And you made it so easy. This is awesome. Liam,
yeah,
this is so neat.
amazing.
so let's talk about how they can get it.
Yeah,
Yeah, we gotta talk
We
about
gotta talk
that.
about it. So if they go to my website, divaofdiy.com, they can hit the link Shop KC, and it'll have all the things that we're selling right now that are Chiefs related.
Perfect, and we're showing you right there on the screen, so
nice.
you can do all that. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. And like she said, to see a step-by-step guide to this project and more, you can head over to divaofdiy.com, and you can also follow Leon on social media to get a sneak peek of her membership on social at Diva of DIY.